Example I love to give is when you buy cough medicine, a lot of the cough medicines in the shops have the same thing in the back. If you turn over the back, you see it. But some of the brands would be saying chesty cough, you know, runny nose, sore throat, dry cough. You usually take the same medicine for all of those symptoms, usually. So you can usually have one medicine that just says flu or cold medicine, simple as that. There are literally medicines that are called cold and flu. But some brands decide to separate the symptoms and separate what the consequences of that flu are. For you, the consequences are a chesty cough. For you, the consequences are a sore throat. So because they're calling out the consequences and they're now saying, get fast relief for your sore throat, that appeals to me more than just, here's cough medicine, take the cough medicine.